YouTube? It's Callie. I'm bored and wearing a beanie and there's nothing to do and I'm just sitting in my room like so. And yeah, that's basically it. I made a few videos for you guys, but I have yet to post them because every time I make it, either I just don't post it or I get in trouble and I have to get off the computer and whatever. But so yeah, maybe I'll get in a little burps for you guys, something. I'll entertain you somehow so I can entertain myself. Okay. Would you like to see a picture of me in 6th grade? Okay. Boom. Swaggin'. Hey! Yeah, with the red pants, red skinny jeans. And I rock those. Yep. My rat's just chilling in this cage over there. Okay, I wonder if I don't even cook like that. Oh, I do. So, what's new, guys? What's up? How you guys been? It's been a while. I'm grounded, but they forgot to take my iPod, so, yep. Oh, I just don't have my phone. Here's my, retainers. Ooh. It's not like I have a list when I put them in. Well, both of them. Well, I guess. So I talk like this now, and it's really embarrassing. So I just wear them to sleep. Yeah. Want to see some old pictures that I found, people? Huh? You want to see them? I know you do. Okay. Well, this was in 7th grade. I am there. Right there. Hello, camera. This was when I was little. I don't know when that was, actually. Oh, this was a chunky. Like 2 summers ago with my mommy, and me and her both lost weight since then. This was me on my 14th birthday, and I have purple contacts in, and my eyes look huge, and I have a big freaking margarita cup of Skittles. Boss. I'm trying to keep them a minimum of loudness because my parents are sleeping. And yeah. This was my old puppy. Her name was Zoe. She was a mixed pit bull, and we barely found out that she only understood Spanish. So we couldn't really keep her, and that was depressing because he got rid of her when I was gone. And yeah, breaks the kid's heart. Oh, what was that? This was, I think in 7th grade, a creepy picture, but I love so much, of me and my cousins. Look at them teeth. Look at them teeth. That gap though. Now they look like these. Yeah. It's all in time. Here's a dirty sock. This was me at the choir concert with my brother. I look pretty tan. So we went to a talent show tonight at my school. It was amazing. Well, the dancers were like, woo, take it off, boy. Go, go Victor, go Christian, go Brandon, go Eric, go, 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 go Victor. And he started twerking. We were like, oh, snap. If you ever watch this video, I didn't say that. They all fine. And my friend said that she's going to marry you, Victor, so watch out. Here is a pair of boy shorts that are mine. They are pink and black zebra. And these are my boots that I love to wear all the time. Okay, gotta burp. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get crazy. Get wild. Then flash your titties. But I don't got titties, so I ain't gonna flash you. I should probably stop now. Okay, well, 6 minutes and 35 seconds, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and I guess that'll be all, guys. So leave me comments. If you haven't already subscribe because you know you want to see more of my weird self. Weird but interesting and talented. Doesn't get better than that. So yeah, message me. I'll try to get back to you. Leave comments. I love you guys. I didn't forget about you. Bye.